Welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is the 10th day of our challenge. Can you believe it? We made it to double digits. Today I'm actually going to show you how to go ahead and customize the tabs on the top of your Facebook business page. But before I do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel, clicking that red subscribe button, and then go ahead and choose that bell icon to make sure you don't miss a thing. So let's get started. Tabs help people find the most things that you find are most relevant on your page. So you can make a tab show the important pieces of your business, the things that you want to highlight, that you want people to have access to most quickly. So we're here on my page, The Social Stack, and what the tabs are these buttons right here, right under your title. Okay, so you can see I have home, jobs, events, reviews, and more. Now yesterday we talked about your overall layout, which when you chose a template, it picked out what tabs it felt, meaning Facebook, was best for that style of business. So if you want to come in and customize this a little bit more, come down to the left-hand corner, click that page settings button, and then we're going to choose the same section we were in yesterday for templates and tabs. So templates is where we got the options yesterday to show us what Facebook was suggesting. And now if you want to go ahead and customize those tabs some more, we're right here in the tabs option here. So you can see it says help page visitors quickly find what they're looking for. So you want to put the tabs first that you think are most relevant to your subscribers, your viewers, and make it easy for them to find the information you want. So home is always going to be first. But then you can see as we scroll down, there's a whole bunch of options here. Now all of them have these 6 little dots on the left. And if you want to reorder your tabs, all you have to do is hold those dots and drag it to the position you want them in. Then on the on the right-hand side, you'll see that some of the options have little toggle buttons. You can see at the bottom here, there's 4 that are off. So some of these tabs will allow you to turn them on and off. So if you're a company and your event tab is on and you never do events, go ahead and just toggle that off and move events to the bottom of the list here to get it out of your way, because you don't want people to be clicking on that events tab thinking that you're offering an event or have an event coming up and they click on it and there's no content there. So you really want to think through that. For me, I do a lot of posts and photos. I'm not really advertising any jobs for my business, so I'm going to turn that one off. If I want to leave reviews on, I don't have any reviews on my page just yet, but if I can't collect them without this review tab on. So if I don't want that as an option at all, I can turn it off. If I want people to leave me reviews, I can go ahead and put that on. Maybe I want to put my about section nice and easy to find. So you guys get the idea here. You can see exactly what options you have as far as tabs are concerned, which ones you can turn on and off completely, and which ones you can reorder. So anything that is in the off position will not show up at all for your page. If you have something that is turned on, but it's not one of those first few tabs, let me go back here. If it's not in one of these first few tabs right here, the rest of them that you have turned on will show up under more. And that's it. That's how you customize your tabs and make it nice and easy for everybody to see. I'll refresh my page so you guys can see that update here. So now you can see that about, photos, and reviews are my first 3 options. And if I want to go back in and change it, I can do that anytime I wish. So that concludes our training for the day. So remember to join me again tomorrow for our next challenge. But before that, let me know in the comments which 3 tabs you chose for your first 3. Remember to go ahead and subscribe and click that bell for alerts for new video notifications as soon as they're available. I'll see you tomorrow.